Hearing your child cough repeatedly when they are trying to sleep can be incredibly worrying, can it not? It disrupts their rest, yours, and leaves you wondering what might be going on to cause such distress. It is a common concern for many parents, and understanding the reasons behind it can bring much-needed clarity. When your child experiences a persistent cough at night, especially one that sounds dry, wheezy, or like a struggle for breath, a very common cause is asthma. Even if your child has not been formally diagnosed with asthma yet, nighttime coughing is often one of the earliest and most noticeable symptoms, signaling potential airway inflammation and narrowing. The primary reason asthma symptoms, including coughing, often worsen at night is due to a combination of factors related to our natural body rhythms and environment. Our airways naturally narrow slightly in the early morning hours, around 4 a.m., as part of our circadian rhythm. When you add the inflammation already present with asthma, this narrowing becomes more pronounced. Lying down can also cause mucus to pool, and exposure to common bedroom triggers like dust mites or pet dander can irritate sensitive airways, leading to increased coughing. To help your child find relief and get a better night's sleep, there are several actionable steps you can take. First, make sure their bedroom environment is as free from allergens as possible by using allergen-proof mattress and pillow covers, washing bedding frequently in hot water, and regularly vacuuming or damp dusting. Second, elevate your child's head slightly with an extra pillow or by raising the head of their bed. Third, ensure they are staying well hydrated throughout the day, which can help thin mucus. Finally, and most importantly, consult with your pediatrician. They can assess your child's symptoms and determine if an asthma diagnosis is appropriate or if other conditions are at play, and then discuss potential treatment options. It is also important to recognize that nighttime coughing due to asthma is often referred to as a nocturnal cough, which specifically points to symptoms flaring up after dark. This is a key indicator for healthcare professionals when evaluating potential asthma, as it distinguishes it from coughs primarily caused by daytime allergens or simple colds. Recognizing this pattern is a crucial piece of information for your doctor. Another less common but important factor is gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD, which can sometimes mimic asthma symptoms and also worsen when lying flat. By understanding these underlying mechanisms and taking proactive steps, you are not just treating a symptom. You are addressing the root causes that disrupt your child's sleep and overall well-being. Knowing that nighttime coughing is a frequent sign of asthma, and understanding how environmental and physiological factors contribute, empowers you to work effectively with your doctor to find the best solutions for your child, ensuring more peaceful nights and healthier days for everyone.